I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
When I was thinking about it, I said, so how does it improve social incentives? And I had I remembered something I'd read. Someone said, fiat creates poverty and chaos as the energy flows into goods and esoteric assets, and it dissipates, thereby making everything in the society more expensive. And the Bitcoin system creates order and prosperity as the energy flows into the money and persists, therefore making goods less expensive. And I think you could just say, my point of view is Bitcoin improves the social incentives because it completely aligns 8 billion individuals, 4 billion families, 400 million corporations, 195 countries, everybody in the world, the working class, the poor, the middle class, the elite, they all are aligned around this idea of virtuous, honest, ethical, technically sound, economically sound money. And the alternative, the fiat system, is, in essence, since all the currencies are collapsing, people that want to take a long view and they want to plan for the future, they have to store their energy across 10,000 property markets, 40,000 listed companies, 100 to 300 private companies, 195 countries, thousands of collectibles, thousands of bonds, thousands of ETFs. And I just mentioned a few things. And all of us are going to fight over which of those things are virtuous. And then we're going to have an incredible bureaucracy in every single nation state attempting to properly regulate all those things and control who accesses all of them. So in the absence of perfected money, you just have a chaotic, expensive, inefficient economic order, and that puts everybody at each other's throats. And in the presence of Bitcoin, which is perfected money, I think, my time horizon stretches out because I can see 1,000 years from now. And I certainly can't plan for 1,000 years on gold or pesos or dollars or yen or bonds or stocks or collectibles or Beanie Babies or baseball cards or diamonds or ETFs or nothing, right? So I can see 1,000 years in the future. I could, imagine seeing not 13 miles to the horizon, but I can see all the way around 25,000 mile circumference of the earth. I can see it all. My domains all merge. Now I can see everyone trading with everyone. That just seems like it definitely improves our social incentives.